Yeah, you want to watch this to the very end? Don't click off. Watch to the very end. Let's go. Hello and welcome to another design tutorial. My name is David Oisamoje. If you're just joining me from the first time, I say welcome. My channel is all about creating designs that sell, designs that make you passive income from print on demand side. We're talking Redbubble, Teespring, Teespring, matched by Amazon. So if this is something you're interested in, you're interested about stuffs like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you've not done that already. I give you design inspiration. I create designs, give you design inspiration. You can use those designs, make your own creative out of it, not copying it vividly for your own print on demand sites. Make passive income doing that while you sleep. So without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to go straight right into today's video without wasting your time. So I use canva.com for my design, so I'm going to be using Canva for this one also. So let's open canva.com. Canva.com is an online based graphics design platform. You don't need to download any software. It's super easy to use once you have an account with them. So I'm just going to click on create a design, custom dimension, standard 4500 by 5400. So this is the standard pixel, not inches, not millimeter, not centimeter, pixel. Create a new design, opens on a new tab, and we are good to go. Let's begin creating some design. So today we are going to be focusing on something graphical, no text, nothing. It's just going to be graphics all through. So let's see how that goes. We're just going to create something. So let's start with elements. Yes, if you stick around to the very end, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro, because obviously I use Canva Pro. As you can see, the interface is different from Canva free version. And I'm going to show you how to use Canva Pro, or how to get Canva Pro 30 days free on me. So if you're interested in getting that, please stay glued to the very end. So let's go to elements. We're going to use elements. We're going to do eyes. Yes, just watch me. Just watch me. We're just going to create something unique. We're going to create something unique. So let's find some good looking eyes for our design. As you can see, you have a lot. Most are pro. As you can see, you see pro. So those ones that say pro, you can use them if you're on the free version of Canva. You can use them if you're on the free version of Canva. So make sure you have okay. Let's see, let's just scroll through and just find a cool one. Okay, this is a pro one. So let's make this bigger. As you can see, we don't want it too big because we're not done yet. Trust me, we're not done yet. So now that we have that in, we change the color. I want it to be total. Will I make it black? Let me make it a different color. Let me just see if I can make it a different color, because I don't want to make it black, because I want to be able to place it on a black shirt. I want when people go to my store to buy this design, they're able to place it on a black shirt, because black shirts are the most sold shirts. So I'll try to make the eyes. Let me make it orange. How does orange look? How does orange look? Oh, should I make it I want black to be able to sell, so let me see if I can make it a different color. Let me see if I can make it a different color. What do you guys think? I wish I could get you guys feedback as I design this. So okay, let's see. Orange looks okay. So now we're gonna go back and do glasses. Sorry. Okay, so now we're just going to find a cool glass we can use. So I hope you are getting the concept. stick around. I'm going to tell you how to get Canva Pro for a month. As you can see, some of them are pro versions, so you want to be able to use it on Pro. You get the drift, so stick around, stay with me on this, stay with me on this design, and let's go create something. So I'm trying to look for a cool glass we can use, cool shades. Let's go back up, and try to look for something. I think this is a cool one. This is also cool but free, so let's use this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this go over the eyes like so, just like that. So we have the eyes, we have the glasses. As you can see, it's a simple design, not complicated at all, super cool designs. Didn't take us time. So now let's just find the nose. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we find a cool nose. If we don't find a cool one, we just leave it the way it is. Okay, let's see how this nose looks. Let's reduce it a bit. Okay. Perfect. I like this. I'm cool with this design. I love the way it is currently. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. What do you guys think? Let me know. You see, we've just 5 or 7 minutes into the design. Now let me tell you the benefit of Pro, and I'll tell you how to get Pro. As you can see, every element I used there had the Pro mark on it, and if you're on free version of Canva, you definitely not be able to use that for your design and all. And the second thing is this white background. Different people have different color taste. You don't expect everyone to buy a white shirt, because definitely if you are leaving it with white background, that means you are saying you're going to upload it on a white shirt, which is not cool. You want to be able to have it without this white background. You want it to be transparent in the background. You want it to be transparent. You don't want a color on this background, so that when you download it and upload it to your Redbubble, Teespring, Teespring, Match by Amazon for passive income, you don't have this white background and you sell more doing that. So now let's hit on download. As you can see, I'll click on the transparent background and I'm going to download that. If you want to get Canva Pro, check the first link in the description. For Canva Pro. Click on that link, sign up with that link. Make sure as you're clicking on it, go straight to sign up so that you get 30 days free Pro. So now this is our design we just made. As you can see, this is our design, not complicated, super easy to make design. And you can see it came without the white background. It didn't take us too much time to get it done. It's better than having this white and all. And if you want, you can go over and change the colors, make it darker. If you want a darker color, you can do that. If you want a darker trim, you can do that. It's up to you. This is document color, so it's making use of the document color, as you can see. So it's up to you if you want it this way. It's totally up to you. If you want a different nose, different eyesight, you can still go over and just download that too. Click on download. You can just change the color. I have about 4 different colors of one design. Upload that. It's going to help you sell more. Definitely, it's going to help you sell more. So if you go back again and check that out, you're going to see it has a different color from the other one. I'm going to show you the other one. This is the other one, and this is this one. So some people will prefer this one, some people will prefer this one. It's up to you. it's up to them. So all you have to do is just upload these 2 designs as separate designs, and you're good to go. Make as much design as you want. You can do 50 different designs a day, 10 different designs a day, depending on how much time you want to put into it. Just keep uploading, never give up on print on demand. Once you start making sales, you will definitely not stop making sales. That's how it works. So with that said, I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe, stay blessed, one love.